Waziri wa usalama nchini Profesa Kindiki asema serikali inatarajiwa kuajiri afisa wa NPR 140 ili kusaidia polisi kudumisha amani maeneo ya Igembe kaskazini gatuzi la Meru.
With the infusion of an additional 140 NPRs, we are going again to see a shot in the arm to our agencies here. We will increase that number, we'll train more NPRs in the years ahead, and we will also continue giving our officers facilitation in terms of vehicles, fuel, and other personal protection equipment, so that when they track animals that are stolen, their lives are not exposed to danger.
Zaidi, Kindiki akizungumza kwenye hafla ya kudumisha amani maeneo hayo, amesema serikali ina lengo la kuwazawadi afisa watakaoimarisha na kudumisha amani, ikiwa njia moja ya kuwatia nguvu.
I want to commend our officers for the sacrifices that they continue to make on behalf of our country, risking their lives. Some of them have been injured in the line of duty, others have even paid the ultimate price, and I really want to salute them for the patriotic work they continue to do and promise the support of the government of Kenya to every officer for the work they are doing, to equip them more as we continually are doing now through the police equipment modernization program, to motivate them more as we are about to release the report on police reforms on terms and conditions of service, but also to recognize them. Increasingly, you will see us recognizing exemplary officers who give exceptional services in defense of